cloud enthusiasts. In this video, we will show you how to create security control policies and attach them to organizational units. This will allow you to control permissions for the accounts that are associated with those organizational units. So by default, SCPs are disabled when the organization is created. So first we have to enable it by going to Policies screen. Once it is enabled, we can go ahead and create a new policy. Let's name it Block CloudTrail Policy and give it a brief description. We now have to build the policy. You can do it easily via Policy Generator interface on the right. So let's select CloudTrail as a service and attach actions that will restrict any modifications to the CloudTrail. We can apply these actions to all the CloudTrail resources, so let's select all resources. Once the policy is created, we can verify that it is not associated with any target. Next, we can attach the policy to the root organization. By doing so, the policy is enforced on all the organizational units under the root. After we're done, we can verify that it is now attached to the root. You can edit the policy if you like, but in this case we are not going to do that. Now let's create a new policy that will restrict DynamoDB access. We can do it in a similar way by going to the Create New Policy screen, providing the policy name and a short description, and then configuring our permissions and actions. So once the Restrict DynamoDB Access policy is created, we can attach it to a specific OU. In this example, we will attach it only to Project 2 OU, so that only the accounts that are under Project 2 OU will not have access to DynamoDB. And once again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.